Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE lock screen like a pro. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your Samsung phone and locate the Settings app. This app contains all your phone's options and controls. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open Settings, you're ready to begin customizing. Step 2. Scroll down slowly until you see Lock Screen and AOD. AOD stands for Always On Display, which allows your screen to show information like time, date, and notifications even when it's turned off. Tap on Lock Screen and AOD to open its menu. Step 3. Inside the Lock Screen menu, look for Edit Lock Screen or Customize Lock Screen. Tap on this option, and it may take a few moments to load, depending on your device. This is where the real fun begins, because now you can fully personalize your lock screen. Step 4. Once in the customization menu, the first thing you might want to do is set your wallpaper. Tap Wallpapers at the top of the screen, then choose Gallery to access your personal images. Select a photo you like, adjust the crop or zoom if needed, and confirm your choice. This allows you to have a lock screen that feels completely personal. Step 5. To make your wallpaper more dynamic, you can apply effects. Scroll to the bottom of the menu to locate the Effects option. Here, you can swipe through different visual effects such as blur, motion, or color filters. Select the effect you like best and hit Apply. This instantly adds a professional look to your lock screen wallpaper. Step 6. Next, if you want to change the clock on your lock screen, tap the clock icon. You will be taken to the Clock Style menu. Here, you can choose different clock designs, including digital or analog styles. Once you find one you like, tap on it to apply it to your lock screen. Step 7. After selecting your clock style, tap the Font and Color option. Here, you can change the font style to make it bold, elegant, or playful. You can also select a color that complements your wallpaper. This step ensures your lock screen has a cohesive and personalized design. Step 8. If you want the clock to appear in a specific place, tap on it and drag it to your preferred position. This customization helps make your lock screen layout feel balanced and visually appealing. Step 9. For those who like to track multiple time zones, Samsung allows you to add an additional city. Tap Add City, search for the city you want, and select it. The new time will automatically appear on your lock screen, which is perfect for travelers or those working with international colleagues. Step 10. Widgets can give you instant access to information such as calendar events, music controls, or weather updates. Tap Add Widgets in the menu, then choose the ones you want. Once selected, they will automatically appear on your lock screen for quick access. Step 11. Samsung allows you to add favorite apps directly to your lock screen. Tap on an existing app icon, scroll through your apps, and select your preferred one. Repeat the same for the second app icon on the opposite side. This makes launching apps faster and more convenient. Step 12. After completing all the personalization, don't just exit. Make sure to save your changes. Tap the Done button at the top of the screen. This will automatically save all your adjustments, locking in your new professional-looking design. Step 13. Finally, return to the lock screen and AOD menu. Toggle on the Always On Display option and set when to show to always. This ensures your lock screen shows your chosen clock, wallpaper, and widgets even when the screen is off. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Samsung lock screen like a pro. From wallpaper effects to clock styles, font colors, widgets, and app shortcuts, your lock screen is now fully personalized. This not only enhances the aesthetic of your device, but also improves functionality by giving you quick access to the information and apps you use most. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.